This exam application tutorial is on the topic of combustion of fuels. The question for 6 marks: explain the problems of the complete and incomplete combustion of methane. So what this is asking you to do is state what is made, the products of complete combustion, state the products of incomplete combustion, and describe the problems linked to each product. So, complete combustion is when a hydrocarbon fuel, a fuel made from just hydrogen and carbon, like methane, burns completely in oxygen. So every part of it is broken down and reacts with oxygen. And it will produce the two products, carbon dioxide and water vapor. Now we have to describe the problems linked to the products of complete combustion. So carbon dioxide and water vapor are greenhouse gases. So we can see they're burning and they're forming water vapor and carbon dioxide here. And greenhouse gases, well, they reflect infrared radiation, which is causing global warming. So you can see the solar energy is getting through our atmosphere and then it's being re-emitted as infrared, but infrared has a longer wavelength, so it's reflected by certain gases in our atmosphere called greenhouse gases, mainly carbon dioxide, water vapor, and methane, although you don't have to talk about that in this question, and gets reflected and therefore the Earth is warming up. Incomplete combustion occurs when a fuel burns in a limited supply of oxygen, so the fuel cannot be completely broken down by oxygen. This can produce carbon particulates or soot, which can blacken buildings and make them look dirty, and also it can aggravate or cause asthma. Sometimes incomplete combustion can also produce carbon monoxide, so carbon monoxide can also be produced. And now we have to explain the damage that can cause. So this is a poisonous gas that binds to hemoglobin, that protein in your blood, which carries oxygen, reducing our blood's capacity to carry oxygen. So it's basically a poison which can kill you because it stops your blood from being able to carry oxygen, which you need to survive for respiration.